Hello everyone, welcome to Career Talk. Before I start this video, I want you to subscribe to the channel if you have not done it already and also press the bell icon for all notifications. Today I want to share a very important aspect of my professional life with you, which is my habit of reading books. So around 20 years ago, I started to read some books, and then soon I realized that this particular habit is extremely important for me to grow as a professional. And here I am today with a collection of some of my books. This is not the entire stack, but I thought I'll share some of these with you. So not necessarily I have read all of these books completely, but the point that I want to make today is that you as a professional should start reading books if you are not doing it already. And I will give you some examples of what you should read and how it will help you grow. So let's get started and have a look at this stack. This is the first one called Power. It has got 48 laws of power, which actually helps you get to the top and helps you stay there at the top. Next one is a very famous title called Rich Dad Poor Dad. This book is a bestseller, as most of you might already know. You should read this book if you want to understand how to make money and how to become rich. So the next title is What Got You Here Won't Get You There. So as the title suggests, this book is about growing and about certain attributes or qualities which will take you to a certain level. But after a certain level, those qualities or attributes will not be enough for you to grow further in your career. So what got you here might not take you there to the next level. Next title is You Are Born to Blossom. As you can see, the great man here, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, it is a very good book if you want to get inspired by him. Alright, what I have next is The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. This is a tale about a person who sells his Ferrari, which means he gives up everything that he has in life to become a monk. A very interesting book to read. The next one is Rujita Divekar's Don't Lose Your Mind, Lose Your Weight. This book, as it suggests, is about how to eat right, keeping fit, and how to maintain your weight. Okay, let's have a look at the next book. The next book on my stack is Ziglar on Selling. So Zig Ziglar is a very famous writer on selling. This title is Ziglar on Selling, which means this has got all those tips, tricks, techniques, and methods about selling. Next is a book called Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People. So I'll keep this book aside because I want to talk about it towards the end of this video. Next is How to Make Your Own Luck. This essentially tells you that there is a lot of power in your hand to make your own luck and craft your own journey. So the next title is called Data Mining. This book was actually suggested to me by my friend Ajit. A very good title if you are starting on your career in data science or data analytics. Alright, next again is the great man Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and the book is Wings of Fire. I don't need to say anything about this. This is an absolute gem. Alright, next book is The Intelligent Investor. Now this is by Benjamin Graham. A very thick book, but this has got everything that you need to know about investing. Alright, next title is Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich. Another absolute gem if you want to grow rich. This has got all the principles of how you should approach that. Alright, next I have got a very small book but a very powerful one, which is Give Great Presentations. Next up is The Secret. I'm sure many of you have already read it. This is about how you can achieve anything and everything that you want in life. How do you attract success towards you in your life? Next up is the 4-hour work week. So this actually gives you an idea of a new way of living, how you can actually work only for 4 hours. There are a lot of concepts in this book. I'm not saying whether they are easy to implement or difficult to implement, but a very good read to explore new dimensions. Alright, next I have is Eat That Frog by Brian Tracy. A very powerful book if you want to get over your habit of procrastination. Next up is 13 steps to bloody good wealth. Okay, as the title suggests, it has got exactly the steps that you need to create wealth. Next up, this book is on public speaking. So if you want to become a public speaker, this book tells you how to go about your journey from being a non-speaker to being a public speaker. Last but not the least, I have got the Google story in my stack. This actually tells you the story of how Google as a company was formed. So these were some of the titles that I have with me, guys. There are few more books which I have read. For example, Who Moved My Cheese, The Magic of Thinking Big, Questions Are the Answers, You Can Win by Shiv Khera, and The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. So these are some of the titles that I remember off my head, but then there are other books as well. Now everybody has different tastes, so some of you may like some of these books, some of you may not like some of these books. But the point that I am trying to make is, as a professional, if you want to grow, you need to develop the habit of reading and read content on different topics. So in summary, guys, you will grow as a professional if you read content regularly. So as I said, for the last 20 years, I have been reading different titles. So if you can develop this small habit of reading for 20-30 minutes on different topics, it will enrich your thought process, it will give you different perspectives, and it will open a completely different horizon for all of you. Because if you want to grow in your career, it is not just about doing your job well, it is about knowing a lot of things and being able to bring in fresh perspective, fresh ideas, experiences, and having the ability to express your thoughts as well. And before I sign off, I want to suggest that this is one book which you should read irrespective of whether you have the habit of reading or not. This title, How to Make Friends and Influence People, is the most influential book you will ever read. Whether you are a student or an IT professional, or for that matter in any other profession, this book will change your perspective of dealing with people, and you will understand the art and science behind making good relationships and influencing people in the long run. Alright, I hope you found this helpful, guys. Do comment and let me know what you think about it. I'll see you next week with another video. Till then, take care. Bye for now.